Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open File Explorer to begin the only reliable file search on Windows 11. Press the Windows key plus E or click the folder icon on the taskbar to open File Explorer. Navigate to the drive or folder where you want to search before using the search box. Click the search box in the upper right corner to activate search tools. Type the file name, keyword, or wildcard and press Enter to run the search in that folder and its subfolders. Refine your search with simple syntax to find files faster and more accurately. Use wildcards like asterisk, docx or part asterisk name to match patterns in file names and extensions. Add filters such as kind, document, size, 1 MB or date 2023-01 to narrow results by type, size, and date. Put phrases in quotes for exact matches, and combine keywords with and or for logical searches. These filters run in File Explorer and return precise. Improve search speed by checking indexing options in Control Panel when needed. Open indexing options and add folders such as Documents and Desktop to include them in the index. Allow time for the index to update after adding locations. Progress shows in the dialog. If results seem incomplete, pause or rebuild the index and then retry your search. Using File Explorer with a properly configured index yields the most reliable single way to find files on Windows 11.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.